and welcome to Ruchi's Town. Today's video is something different. Let's look what's happening. Lots of luggages. So we are heading towards India. It's about a 3 weeks trip to India, and I'm going to vlog during our travel to the airport. So keep watching. We are all set and I have booked the cab also, and we are moving out of the house. There we are, we have reached the Boston airport and waiting for a trolley to get inside. So it's a wonderful evening actually. The check-in counter, waiting for our turn. It's not that busy today actually for a Friday.
For mandatory passport inspection. Thank you.
Launch right now. It's a business class launch. We have about an hour and a half before we get into the flight. So we could sit back and relax, and then you know. We are getting into the flight. It's a 14 hours long flight to Doha, and from there we are going to take a flight to Bangalore.
I think that this.
Yes, yes. Okay, so 70 design and F and J is on the second one. So next
Yeah, 70. Yeah.
And we could just go there.
So we are at 7E, and this is our cabin.
Okay. All right. And we'll see that here.
Yeah. So we have this cabin all for ourselves. So me and this little one are going to be here. This place. This is a cabin which has 2 seats. The door here is going to close, and it is going to be a private space. Both the doors are going to close. So it has 2 individual screens or televisions, and they have a throw, extra pillows, and they have a complimentary kit which comes with some fresheners and stuff. Can you show what are the things that are there in that?
So first we have this good thing that goes on this a million suitcases. And then we have this. And also next we have this hydrating facial mist.
It's a facial mist.
We also have this
Eye mask.
eye mask so that when you're sleeping you can cover your eyes. And we have lip balm.
Those are the earbuds actually, so they are noise cancelling also. And those are some
Also, we have
socks.
some socks.
Avec crew on board.
Yeah,
I want to wear these.
that's it. And
That's
this
it.
is a cute little toilet pouch. So they provide with a menu. They take an order for the dinner as well as the breakfast. They have a wide variety of items for the dinner.
That's your dining table.
And they also have options for the breakfast where we can place the order.
You can get a bit of
Okay. Our time.
Can I have it?
Wait for
I offer you the complimentary from Qatar Airways from with mayonnaise.
okay.
What is this? Is it shrimp? Oh no.
Tomato soup, and there it comes. Pass, and here they are with some peppers and some biryani.
Where is the chicken? Oh, yellow stuff.
What is that?
Lava cake. Ah. What's the yellow stuff?
The restroom in the business class. So it's so spacious. Morning and welcome back to Ruchi's Town. It's Saturday morning around 8:45 a.m. Eastern Time, and it is breakfast time here. After a wonderful nap, we are all set to have our Arabic breakfast. Breakfast. Cheese, butter, pita bread, olives, and the little one ordered for pancakes and apple juice. We are back in Bangalore. So this is our video about our trip from US to Bangalore. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Ruchi's Town. Meet you again with yet another video. Till then, bye.